Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the organizing committee of the second JAMHESIC Medicine and Health Science International Conference, which already accepted our topic research about physicochemical properties of the lotion formula containing active antioxidant from breadfruit rind or Artocarpus altilis, and allowed us to present the topic in this conference. Background this research, as shown in this figure, schematic representation of the cell antioxidant response following oxidative stress injury. As we know, exposure to UV light triggers the rapid generation and accumulation of reactive oxygen species, can be abbreviated as ROS in our skin cell, with consequence increase in oxidative stress and thus in photoaging as well. Often UV radiation, ROS level increase and oxidative stress is induced. Endogenous antioxidant suppress ROS formation, and exogenous and endogenous antioxidant cooperate to suppress propagation reaction. Cell damage are repaired by de novo enzyme. Finally, if the cooperation among these antioxidant-related network is able to counteract oxidative stress injury, the cell will survive after an adaptation process. Otherwise, in case of prolonged or excessive stress, the cell will undergo cell death. The aim and benefit of research are, firstly, to produce a lotion product prototype that has physicochemical properties which meet the requirement for commercialization. Second one, to produce a lotion product that contain potential antioxidant from breadfruit rind, which are safe to use without side effect. In the experiment, firstly, sample preparation we started by 10 kilogram of breadfruit rind. It was sorted, then wash it to remove impurities. Next one, chop it until smooth and air dry it. After that, dry sort it, then grind it so that produce 2 kilogram of simplicia powder. The second extraction procedure was carried out by technique maturation. The breadfruit powder saturated with normal hexane solvent for 3 days. The residue was separated and matured with dichloromethan solvent for 3 days as well. Finally, collected the dichloromethan extract. Dichloromethan extract will subjected to vacuum liquid chromatography using an eluent normal hexane and ethyl acetate by ratio 10:1, 5:1, and 1:1 respectively. And then finally eluted with methanol to give 3 fraction. Each fraction will determine the potency of antioxidant activities. The most promising fraction was utilized as antioxidant agent for 5 lotion formula, 5.1 to 5.5 to F5. Each formulas we tested the physicochemical properties in order to find out the formula which meets the requirement of assimilation. They are organoleptic, homogeneity, pH, spreadability, adhesion, and physicosity. Next, all lotion formulation were prepared by mixing the ingredient as given in each table. Essentially, it containing the crude extract of breadfruit rind at different concentration of 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9%. Then added several material standard for lotion preparation. These are several simple equipment used for physicochemical property tests. They are calipers, pH meter, addition test equipment, and physicosity instrument. Evaluation the antioxidant potency of dichloromethan extract of breadfruit using BPPS method disclosed that 3 fraction exhibited good potency as antioxidant. As you can see in this figure, fraction 1 looks 1.5 times higher than positive control. Fraction 2 looks 2.6 times, and fraction 3 looks like 2.26 times more higher rather than the positive control. Based on physicochemical tests among 5 lotion formulas containing antioxidant agent from the Breadfruit, found out 3 formula, F1, F3, and F5, meet with requirement of SNE standard. Then for determining the best lotion formula among F1, F3, and F5, each formula was monitored its properties changed, including of pH, spreadability, adhesion, and viscosity values starting from first day and until 28 days. Apparently, based on the monitoring for 28 days, Formula 3 exhibited the best physicochemical properties compared than Formula 1 and Formula 2. The antioxidant evaluation of the lotion formulas were conducted using the PPS method, surprisingly to show the antioxidant activity of Formula 5 1.9 times higher rather than positive control, followed by Formula T almost equal to positive control. Our research conclusions are, based on this research, showed that Formula 3 has the most ideal physicochemical properties and durability, even when compared to positive control. Then the antioxidant activity showed an IC50 value of 44.7 ppm, and the efficacy level was 0.9 times stronger than the positive control. The Formula 5 showed the strongest antioxidant activity compared to other 4 formula. However, it is necessary to adjust the formula in order to figure out its physicochemical properties meet with the lotion quality standard of SNE. That's all. Thank you.